Good morning to all of you. This is Somshekhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarvame Government Science College, Mamunkatte, Bhadravati. As in the previous session, in this session also we are going to discussing about the behavior of some other sequences. Let me take the first sequence, n plus 1 by n minus 1 whole to the power of n. As we already know, the convergence or behavior of the given sequence depends on its limit value. So first of all, find its limit value. Now limit of xn as n tends to infinity is equal to limit as n tends to infinity. Here xn is nth term is this one, n plus 1 by n minus 1 power of n. Please note this point. 1 plus 1 by n power of n is a standard sequence. Its limit value is e. Now, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 1 plus 1 by n power of n ನ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ n ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ n ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ e ನ ಪವರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. n ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು e ನ ಪವರ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ e ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. e ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 is e. If it is minus 1, its limit value is e power of minus 1. If it is plus 3, its limit value is e power of 3. If it is minus 3, its limit value is e power of minus 3. Please note this point. And 1 plus 1 by n power of n is a standard sequence. Now we can bring the given sequence into the standard sequence of this form, so that it is easy to find the limit value. n plus 1 ಮತ್ತು n minus 1 ಎರಡು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. Now take the highest power of n common and cancel that. n common, the remaining is 1 plus, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ n ಇಲ್ಲ, that means it comes to denominator 1 by n divided by, take n common, 1 minus 1 by n. Now when n gets cancelled, split this 1 plus 1 by n power of n divided by 1 minus 1 by n power of n. Now give the limit value. As we know, and this is a standard sequence, and therefore its limit value is e power of. Now the power of e depends on the numerator of this term. Here plus 1 is there, and therefore e power of plus 1. That means e power of 1, e. Now the limit value of 1 minus 1 by n power of n is e power of minus 1. Here there are two bases, e, make it one base, e. Now this minus 1 comes to numerator as plus 1. Already plus 1 is there, 1 plus 1, 2, e power of 2. And this is a unique finite value. Since the limit value is unique finite value, the conclusion is the given sequence is convergent and converges to this value, e square. Please write this, converges to e square. Move on to the second one, n plus 1 by n power of 2n square by n plus 1. Its limit value is, now we can, here also we can bring this sequence into the standard form 1 plus 1 by n power of n. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ n ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now n gets cancelled, the remaining is 1 plus 1 by n. Now 2n square by n plus 1 can be written as n into 2n by n plus 1. So n power 2n by n plus 1, n into 2n by n plus 1. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟಿಗೆ n ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಪವರ್. your power still in infinity by infinity form. Denominator n common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, n cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it is 2 by 1 plus 1 by n. Now give the limit value, and this is a standard sequence. its limit value is e, and see the power. Now n gets cancelled. 1 by infinity is 0, 2 by 1 2, e square. E square is a unique limit value, unique finite value, and therefore the given sequence is convergent and converges to this value, e square. Move on to the third sequence, n plus 1 by n power of n plus 1. Split this n plus 1 by n power of n into n plus 1 by n power of 1. Now we can bring this to standard sequence, 1 plus 1 by n power of n. Take n common in the numerator, n gets cancelled. The remaining is 1 plus 1 by n power of n into, here also take n common, 1 plus 1 by n. Now this is a standard sequence. Its limit value is e, and on giving limit value to this term we have this 1 plus 1 by infinity, but 1 by infinity is 0, e into 1 e, and is a unique finite value. Therefore the given sequence is convergent and converges to this value e. Square root of n square plus 1 minus square root of n square minus 1. We already seen this problem in the previous session. When the square root comes and there is no term in the denominator, how do we remove this infinity minus infinity form? Just rationalize this, isn't it? Negative ಇದೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, so that the infinity minus infinity form ceases. A minus b into a plus b form, a square, square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, n square plus 1, negative of square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, n square minus 1, negative of n square minus 1, multiply by negative of n square, negative into negative positive 1, divided by the numerator is as it is, plus n square minus n square gets cancelled, plus 1 2. Now give the limit value. There is no other way. In this stage you have to give the limit value. Any infinity kotre and denominator becomes infinity. Any finite value by infinity is 0, 2 by infinity is 0. Now 0 is a unique finite value, and therefore the given sequence is convergent and converges to this value 0. Let me see this problem, n square of power of 1 by n. Please note this point, n to the power of 1 by n is also a standard sequence and its limit value is 1. Please note this point. Now we can bring this given sequence into this standard form, n to the power of 1 by n. Now power 2 power 1 by n is there. Just to flip this, power 1 by n power 2. 2 into 1 by n can be written as 1 by n into 2. 1 by n into 2. Now n to the power of 1 by n is a standard sequence, and give the limit value at this stage. Its limit value is 1, power 2 is there, 1 square is 1. Since the limit value is unique finite value, your conclusion is the given sequence is convergent. Phi n square minus 7 divided by n minus 3 into sine of pi by n. Here the trigonometric term comes, sine of pi by n. Now as usual, in the numerator take the s power of n common, n square. 5 minus, here no n square, so divide by n square, 7 by n square, divided by, take the s power of n as a common in the denominator, take n common, 1 minus 3 by n into, but here sine is there. We know that sine theta, limit of sine theta by theta as theta tends to 0 is 1. It is a standard sequence. Limit of sine theta by theta as theta tends to 0 is 1. So sine ನ ಪಕ್ಕ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟಿವ್ ಬರಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪೈ ಬೈ ಏನಿದೆ and divide by pi by n. To compensate, multiply by pi by n. Now this value, limit of sine of pi by n, sine theta by theta, its value is 1. The remaining is these values. Now n square, in the numerator n square is there, in the denominator n into n square. Now n square gets cancelled, give the limit. But sine theta by theta, sine of pi by n is 1. This 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. Now after giving the limit value, the remaining is 7 by infinity is 0, 3 by infinity is 0, 5 by 1 5 into pi, here pi is there, 5 pi. But 5 pi is a unique finite value, therefore the given sequence is convergent and converges to this value 5 pi. There are some other problems, please go through this. I hope you understood this session and see you in the next session. Thank you, one and all.